Happy birthday to Megan. This is Megan. Hey guys, I am in the Nissan Murano because we just got a car. Yeah. Touch screen, it's really cool. It's so awesome. It is so cool. I love it. I love it so much. And there's Waffle. And there's Waffles. Waffle. Eating.
Hi, Alan.
And this is Elise.
I don't like waffles.
Look at the dirty ball. Berry smoothie. It's like my first smoothie ever actually originated from a fair, so it's really good. So I'm joking. Oh my god. Oh, this one is awesome. I know, right? You're trying to make cute faces, and I'm just like, ah! Okay. Ah! Please tell me what the heck is happening to this rabbit. He's not very happy.
Can't be like this sister. I really don't like the way these people.
Hello. Thumper. He's our new bunny rabbit. Aiden caught him in the animal scramble, and if you don't know what an animal scramble is, it's basically where they put a bunch of animals out and then kids try to catch them. So Aiden got another bunny. Lightning over there. You're pretty jealous, aren't you? Yeah, pretty jealous. Pretty jelly. Got a nice new cage with my pop on it and small cage. We still love Lightning, but seriously guys, Thumper is so soft. So soft. You just look like a little porcupine. Yeah. We have a fan going because it's hot in our garage, but yeah, just wanted to show you guys that.